Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unmute a channel on WhatsApp for PC after the new update. If you've accidentally muted a channel or just want to start receiving updates from it again, this quick guide will help you fix that in no time. First, make sure you've updated your WhatsApp app to the latest version on your computer. The new update brings a slightly redesigned interface, so the steps might look a little different from before, but don't worry, it's still just a few clicks away. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You'll see your chats and channels on the left-hand side of the screen. From that side menu, click on the channel icon. It looks like a small broadcast symbol and takes you straight to the list of all your followed channels. Next, scroll through your list until you find the channel you want to unmute. Once you've found it, use your mouse to right-click on the channel's name. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, click on Unmute. That's it, simple and done. As soon as you click Unmute, you'll start receiving updates and notifications from that channel again. Just like before, you can always go back and mute or unmute channels anytime, depending on what you prefer to keep quiet or follow more closely. If you don't see the Unmute option immediately, make sure you actually have the channel selected and that it's currently muted. The option only appears for muted channels. And that's how easy it is to unmute a channel on WhatsApp for PC with the new update. Now you can stay connected and never miss important updates from your favorite channels. Again, thanks for watching.